G'day campers, welcome back to Metro RV, and one of the old, many a good tune playing on an old fiddle. What we've got here is a, well, it's a very unusual van, but it's a 1991 of all things, dual axle, Evernew pop top, custom ordered. Look, in my opinion, Evernew make as good a vans as anyone in this country anyway. If not the world. This has got a factory ordered bathroom, so now I'm going to get you to stay there. One thing it does have is, look mum, no hands. Now, it's set up for complete simplicity. So. Also set up for free camping. There's two massive solar panels up the top there, and no stress getting that roof up. So we've got a air-powered roof lift system, two massive solar panels, a house battery, hot water. Now we've done a. Just going to turn this compressor off. Now, we've done this up a bit, this van, so we liked it enough to, so we've, it was fully padded. We've replaced the vinyl on the front. Obviously, what is it, 91 was about 30-year-old vinyl. New wheels, new tyres, the rest of it's completely original, so it's in exceptional order right through. 18-foot van, hot water system. I'll point it out just for the sake of the argument. There is a little dent there, nothing crazy, doesn't affect the van in any form. LED light upgrade has got, well, it could be you, the Aussie Traveller. Nice big side Aussie Traveller awning. Well, there's one thing I forgot to say. I've also got the tramway up the front, but anyway, look, this thing is, the good stuff's inside. So, now there's one thing this thing has got, is it's got space in spades. You wouldn't believe that this is the same van inside and out. So, it's been fully re-upholstered, so we've redone all the trim here in the nice like denim sort of cloth. Brand new mattresses. All the bed trimmings have been redone. It was actually wasn't too bad, but geez, it was very pinky, yellowy, flowery. That's all I'm going to say. Now we've got we can go dancing in the dark. It's the boss. You can be the boss in this thing. Yeah, just press a button, the roof goes up. Now, storage, absolutely insane. Wardrobes, his and hers, one on each side. Updated 12-volt compressor fridge. Now, I've been told I've got a slightly fair-sized noggin, but that is a very generous television for a caravan. Storage, again, right through. Your solar rig. Now, there's one thing this thing has got, which you just do not see in vans of this age. It's got an updated oven as well, but what it does is just, it feels massive. Oh, new vinyl flooring as well. We changed that, just we changed the seats, and then the floor didn't look good, so we thought we'd update that. Absolutely crazy, man. Like, it's as good as it gets for the money. Just goes to show you only a huge amount of money to go and enjoy this this country like everyone. 23,555 tollway, no more to pay. Absolute joy. So this thing is, I do like it. I do love it. Great space. Metro RV. Let us help you get out of town. Thanks for looking.